Our Artist of the Week, Mike Calleon, admits he only ventures into the arts during his spare time. Let's get to know more about him and how he embarked on working on his unique art, painting and carving on wood.
Actually, as of now, hindi ko pa rin makonsider sarili ko na full-fledged artist. Kasi, actually, I don't have a formal training sa architect, sa art. Architect talaga ako. Yung mga arts na nandiyan dyan is naipe-paint ko pagka inspired ako about family. May history siya by dates. And most of my art, kasi hindi ko na-paint dito sa Pilipinas, usually nasa abroad yung time na yon. So medyo mas maraming time mag-paint. Doon nagsimula yung pagiging artist ko. Sabi nga nila ng mga kapatid ko, simulat sa full artist daw ako. Pero hindi na-cultivate masyado kasi kailangan laging nagtatrabaho. So secondary ko lang yung pagiging artist. Ngayon medyo nakakaluwag ng konti, so nagkakaroon ng chance na mabigay uli yung puso ng pagiging artist.